Hello everyone. We are continuing our journey to Amsterdam. A significant portion of the Netherlands' land has been reclaimed from the sea through intricate systems of dikes, canals and pumps. This has resulted in polders or low-lying tracts of land enclosed by dikes. As we get closer to Amsterdam, we can see these polder landscapes, often divided into neat plots for farming. The Dutch countryside surrounding Amsterdam features pastoral scenes with grazing livestock, windmills and farmhouses. These areas showcase the rural side of the Netherlands with fields of crops and green meadows. On either side of the road, we can see big commercial buildings including hotels and car showrooms. Amsterdam is known for its intricate network of canals that wind through the city. These canals are not only iconic but also serve as an essential part of the urban landscape. The Dutch are known for their love of cycling, and the landscape near Amsterdam is often dotted with bike paths and lanes. We got off the bus at Heineken Brewery, walking towards our boat. Amsterdam is known as the Venice of the North. Boating is an integral part of the Amsterdam experience. Offering a unique perspective on the city's historic architecture, charming neighborhoods, and vibrant culture. Amsterdam's canal system consists of concentric rings that radiate from the city center. 3 main canals, along with the additional canals, create a picturesque landscape that has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Boating offers unparalleled views of Amsterdam's architecture, the historic gabled houses and charming bridges. Every turn provides a new visual delight. Boating offers a leisurely pace, allowing you to soak in the city's ambience. You'll see residents cycling along the canals, people enjoying meals at waterside cafes, and everyday rhythms of the city. Boating in Amsterdam is an experience that allows you to explore the city's unique layout and architecture. Amsterdam's history dates back to the 12th century when a small fishing village emerged at the confluence of the Amstel River and the I Inlet. It's a way to connect with the city's history while enjoying its modern charm. The village was strategically located along trade routes and thus began to grow. In the 17th century, known as the Dutch Golden Age, the city became a hub of art, culture, and commerce. The Dutch East India Company and the Dutch West India Company had headquarters in Amsterdam. During this time, iconic canal houses and grand buildings were constructed, shaping the city's architectural heritage. The city's canals were engineered not only for transportation but also for warehousing. Tall and narrow canal houses were built to store goods in limited space. Today, Amsterdam is a financial center with strong emphasis on international trade, finance, and business. It is home to numerous multinational corporations, including those in technology, finance, and creative industries. We have come to the end of our canal cruise. India's Sharavana Bhavan in Amsterdam. We're now heading for the Cheese and Clog Factory, Amsterdam. In my next video, we'll be visiting the Cheese and Clog Factory in Amsterdam. If you enjoyed watching my video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.